Next gland is testis. A pair of testes is present in the scrotum. Scrotum is a loose fold of skin which is present outside the abdominal cavity. In males, a pair of testes is present in scrotal sac outside the abdominal cavity. Now, this testis performs dual function. Dual means two functions. It acts as primary sex organ and it also acts as endocrine gland. Endocrine gland means it secretes a hormone called testosterone. Primary sex organ, that is, it helps, that is, inside testis, male gamete, that is, sperm formation takes place. If we take LS of testis, it consists of various seminiferous tubules and the interstitial tissue. Testis consist of seminiferous tubules and which are placed, these seminiferous tubules, they lie in between the interstitial tissue. In the seminiferous tubules, there are present the cells, epithelial cells, and few cells which are longer than the epithelial cells. These are called the nurse or Sertoli cells. These are the epithelial cells in the seminiferous tubules. This is seminiferous tubule, and seminiferous tubules, they are lined by a layer of epithelial cells, germinal epithelium, and few cells in the germinal epithelium layer, they are larger than the others, they are called nurse or Sertoli cells. They provide nutrition to the developing sperms, and these cells, they produce the spermatozoa or sperm by the process of meiosis. And it is between these seminiferous tubules that there is present Leydig cells. The Leydig cells, they secrete androgens. Androgens, that is male sex hormones, and the main male sex hormone is testosterone. Let us see the functions of testosterone. So, location of testis, then hormone released by the testis is testosterone, and now the functions of testis. Testosterone, it regulates development, maturation and functions of male accessory sex organs like epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, prostate gland and urethra. These are the organs associated with male reproductive system. These are epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle and the prostate gland. These are the two glands associated with male reproductive system, and urethra. So, the first function of testosterone is to control the development, maturation and function of male accessory sex organs like epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, prostate gland and urethra. These hormones, they also help in the muscular growth and the growth of facial and axillary hair. these hormones, they induce aggressiveness in males and low pitch of voice. They have heavy voice, deep voice, low pitch voice, and majority, they play a major role in the process of spermatogenesis. What is spermatogenesis? Formation of sperms, which takes place inside the seminiferous tubules. Androgens, they also act on central nervous system and they influence the male sexual behavior, that is libido. These hormones, they stimulate and influence the male sexual behavior, that is libido. These hormones, they produce a synthetic effect or the anabolic effect on protein and carbohydrate metabolism also. These hormones, they help in synthesis of proteins and carbohydrate, means they have a synthetic effect, anabolic effect on protein and carbohydrate metabolism. So this is all about hormone and their function, which is released by the testis.